In an alternate universe, somewhere where I don't bumble and stumble, this would be the first video in the series, but we live in this version of reality, and in this version, we're going to go back and cover something that should have been done as the first step. Here's our image. We have a horizon line that drops noticeably to the right. Now, this is a common thing that happens when you're holding a camera and taking pictures. So the first thing you should do is to get the crop tool, hit the letter C, click on this little straighten icon, and we drag out a line on the horizon, on something that's vertical. Perhaps you have a building here. Well, buildings are typically vertical. Trees are not. Horizons, however, look at this, on this flat ground here. We can move from one side to the other. If you look on the left side, I'm down just slightly below the horizon. So we'll take that. And now we have a straightened horizon. I can hit return to commit that crop. Then I can hold the space bar down, move this into the center. With my crop tool, I can now choose my handy dandy preset and come out here and click to commit it. Make sure that delete crop pixels is deselected, and then drag my image where I want it to be. I can hold down shift so I don't drag it up and down, and position it where I want it. Commit that crop. Hit Command 0. We saw it upsample. And I'm going to hit Command minus because we're going to add a little bit to the top, remember? And I thought I added too much in that other one. Remember, canvas size, image, canvas size, and the shortcut option, Command C. Learn those shortcuts. We want to grow this. We want to add to the sky. So we're going to grow from the bottom up, and the height, I want to add, we added 5,000 pixels. I'm going to add 4,000 pixels this time from the bottom up, and then move this over here, hit the letter M for the rectangular marquee, start up and above, drag over the other side, come down till I cover. Now notice that our uppermost part of the image isn't completely covered, so we have to make sure we get it all. And then when we shift delete, content aware fill, click OK, magic happens. Command D to deselect. Now we have an image that is too big. We can, remember, Option Command C. We can take this back. We have to get the height back to 5,700. We can start here. And did I forget to do this in the other videos? I'm relatively certain I did. So once again, more mistakes. Look at that. Now, if we go to canvas size, how big is this in inches? Is it really 13 by 19 inches? Thank goodness. Let's cancel this. Get up image size, and are we at 300 pixels per inch? We are. So we have now our correctly sized image. We have straightened the horizon. We're all set to now get in and make our healing brush, spot healing brush adjustments here. And you have a better place to start than you had in those prior videos. Like I tell you in the classroom, repetition, and we always make mistakes, and go back, do it again. It doesn't take that long. And it's better to get it right than to keep going with it wrong. Make sense? All right. Have fun.